is Tomas.
Hi, my name is Emanuela.
And we are Naughty Kids.
A High School Musical movie is like a big fun story about kids in high school. They sing, they dance, and they deal with stuff like friends and crushes. These movies are full of different emotions like happiness, friendship, and sometimes a little bit of sadness too.
It's all about having fun and figuring out who you are while you're growing up. It's like a big happy party on screen. Overall, High School Musical are perfect for kids because they are full of energy, catchy music, and positive messages about growing up.
Hello Naughty Kids, here I'm covering the main event of Music Workshop and I am with Sharid. Hello Sharid. Sharid, what do you learn in this workshop?
I'm learning practice more English with my friends.
What do you enjoy the most?
I like that I speak more English.
Okay, thank you Sharid. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I continue here with Antonia. Hello Antonia. Antonia, what would you change in this workshop?
I don't change anything.
Okay, do you think this event should be repeated soon? Why?
Yes, because I learned to dance.
Okay, thank you Antonia. Here I am with Valeria. Hello Valeria. Valeria, what would you change in this event?
I don't will change anything.
What you learned in this workshop?
I learned that the actors don't only act and speak, and the actors listen to others.
Okay, thank you Valeria. Now I here with Laura. Hello Laura. Laura, what you learn? What do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy the most to dance because I like a lot to dance.
Do you think this event should be repeated soon? Why?
Yes, I think that it could be repeated because we have the possibility to know new people and have fun.
Thank you, Laura. Now I'm coming back to the studio. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
How did you incorporate elements of teamwork, inspired in collaboration by High School Musical in fifth grade workshop?
Well, what I did was actually an activity where they understand how dance is very important for their mental health and physical health as well. So I used the High School Musical theme as an excuse to say in some way for them to hear this music and get inspired through this activity. What I did was an activity called drawing a dance, where psychologically it's proven that when you write something or draw something, your body and the connection between your body and your brain, it's even more effective, right? So what I did was at the beginning I put them to listen to some English music, and then they started painting what they felt, and every time they felt that they were judging themselves, they would write a line, and at the end what we did is that we put that drawing in movement. So it's like painting with your body what is on the paper, but every time you felt that you also judge yourself through that, you also draw a line. So I think that musical theater, I mean any musical, can be a good source for a student at this age to be able to understand themselves better and really think about what are those things that are blocking them for them to express themselves. So that's how I use High School Musical with these kids.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. I'm going to ask you questions, okay?
Sure.
What strategies we can introduce for musical third concept, fifth grade, especially who are unfamiliar with High School Musical?
Yeah, well, the way that we approach musical theater in the classes that we taught were through games and activities that let the students spark their creativity, their work team, to let them be able to connect with their bodies and with their imagination, so they're able to like get out of their comfort zone and be able to get in contact with their emotions and their artistic side.
Okay, what specific songs of High School Musical and dance did you choose for workshops activities?
Well, we used the most famous ones, like we sang "We're All in This Together," together, that one. Yeah, because it's one that a lot of you guys know and a lot of you guys appreciate. So like the most important thing is that you guys connect with the songs.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
I am going to ask you questions, okay?
Okay.
What opportunity did you provide for us students to express creativity and individuality?
Well, we were working in groups. I divided the whole group into smaller groups, and they had to write play down and think of a situation where we could be seeing a certain type of character that appears in the movie High School Musical.
Okay.
But they had to direct the actors, write the scripts, and that brought a lot of your creativity
Okay.
into the game.
Thank you. How do you incorporate elements of teamwork, collaboration inspired by High School Musical?
Well, we played a lot of theater games, and games in theater are great tools to bring a group together because you have to listen to each other and you have to be a team member. And so I worked with some theater games that allowed us to develop our listening skills and our teamwork skills.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Welcome, demanding community, to Naughty Kids. My name is David Jimenez, and today, reporting from the Block I, I'm with Maria Alejandra Gomez. Welcome, Maria Alejandra.
Hello, David.
Well, Maria Alejandra, today I have some questions for you about Missy, the musical theater producer that is visiting us in this moment. Can I start?
Yes.
First of all, have you ever heard about Missy before?
No, I never heard.
Until now?
Yeah.
Well, second questions. Which differences did you find with the last year immersions and this year immersions?
I think this year we have more activities
And the final question, in which activities have you implemented your knowledge?
in reading and in music
In music.
and in dance when you are doing a choreography with your synchronization.
Oh, when we are making the choreography with the synchronization. Well, that's all for today. Thank you, Maria
Thank you,
Alejandra.
David.
And thank you to you, demanding community. Have a nice day.
Hello, I am Jacob and I am doing a report for Naughty Kids. Hi. How you found the activities so far?
For me, are interesting. I enjoy these activities.
What has been the most enjoyable part so far?
For me, like the corporal movement, I love it.
What activities should you like for the next year immersion?
I think like outside activities with the grass. I don't know.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Welcome back, demanding community. Did you miss me? Haha! In this moment, I'm reporting in the auditorium with Mr.
Samuel Botero.
Samuel Botero. Botero, welcome.
Welcome.
Well, Botero, in this moment, I have some questions for you.
Okay.
Can I start?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's go. First of all, have you heard about Missy before?
No, I didn't.
Okay, until now, right?
Yeah.
Second, which differences did you notice between the activities from this year and the last year activities?
I think that the difference are that these activities are more for like our age, because the last year it was more like to little kids, like first to second grade, I think.
That's right. I think the same. They were too boring.
Yes.
And now the final question. In which activities could you apply your knowledge?
We can apply our knowledge in the activity that I am doing here.
In theater?
Yeah, in theater, because you can use your mind like in strategy or in many things more, like agility, etc.